In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam fatal error. So if you are trying to play Steam or open Steam and you keep getting this fatal error message, there's a couple of fixes you can try, which I'll go through with you now to hopefully resolve this problem. So make sure to watch this full video and try all the methods to hopefully fix the Steam fatal error problem. Now, the first thing you're going to want to try is if you actually locate Steam on your desktop, what you want to do is right click onto the Steam icon. On this menu that comes up, you want to locate Properties. So you can see that's just here. Give that a click and that's going to open up the Steam Properties window. Now from here, if you come up to the top, click onto Compatibility, what you want to do is tick the two boxes down here to run this program as an administrator, and also this one here which says register this program for restart. Once that's done, click apply and OK. And once you've done that, you can now try and see if you can launch Steam. If that didn't work for you, the next thing you can do is from your desktop, if you come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom and type run, what you want to do is open up the run app underneath best match. And in the run box, you want to put the following command, which is inet cpl.cpl and then click onto OK. Now what that's going to do is open up your internet properties window. It's going to look like this. From here, come up to the connections tab at the top. Give that a click and then come and click onto LAN settings, so the button down here. Now, if you have the option which says automatically detect settings turned on, untick the box, come down, click onto OK. And of course, any changes you make, be sure to click apply and OK down at the bottom. Once you've done that, try again to launch Steam and see if that fixes the problem. Now, if you're still having problems, you can attempt to repair the Steam app. So to actually do that, if you right click again onto the Steam desktop icon, and then again open up the Steam properties window, and what you want to do is make sure you're on the shortcut tab at the top, and you actually want to copy the target path here. So right click onto copy. Once you've done that, what you want to do is open up run again. So type that into the search box and open this up underneath best match. What you're going to want to do is actually paste that into here. And then if you put a space and then a / and then type repair, so it looks like this, and then click onto OK, what's going to happen is Windows is going to attempt to repair the Steam folders and files. So if there's any damaged or corrupted files which is stopping Steam from launching successfully, it's going to attempt to repair those files, which after running this, you can of course try again to launch Steam. Now, if after trying all these methods, you're still having problems, then the last thing I would recommend is a full uninstallation and reinstallation of Steam on your computer or laptop. So to do that, come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, you want to type installed apps, and then open up installed apps underneath best match. Now what that's going to do is open up your computer settings and take you to a screen like this. From here, you can use the search box at the top and type Steam. And once you see Steam come up, just come to the right hand side of Steam, click onto the three dots and click onto uninstall. And then you just want to run through the steps to basically uninstall Steam from your computer or laptop. Once that's done, you can re-download it from the official website. So if you go to store.steampowered.com, and then from here, you're going to see the install button at the top. Just give that a click and you can install it and basically fully reinstall Steam. And that should fix the problem completely, as you would have installed a fresh, clean version of Steam, which should now stop the Steam fatal error message from coming up. So that's how to fix Steam fatal error. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Steam and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.